I'm Heidi Hewitt here speaking with Donnie Gladfelter. Donnie, we've got data extraction in AutoCAD, we've got data linking. What else can users do to really take advantage of interoperability between AutoCAD and Excel?
Certainly so. AutoCAD, of course, offers lots of kind of baked-in solutions with this kind of AutoCAD, Excel interoperability, but there's also some that aren't really as apparent as others. And so one of my favorites, it actually dates back for years now. The way I kind of discovered it, the problem that I had a project that I was working on that was a good like 600 drawing sheets, and I needed to manage the title block information in it, creating that sheet list table. And this was all before Sheet Set Manager existed. And so there was really no baked-in way to actually do that. So I got to kind of tinkering around with the software one day, and I kind of discovered everyone's kind of favorite component, I think, of AutoCAD, and that has to be the Express tools. And so there's two little hidden gems on there, and they're kind of cousins to one another. And it's import and export attributes. They're two separate components. And so the basic premise of this is what I'm able to do is select blocks that have attributes associated with them inside of my AutoCAD drawing, and I'm able to use the export attributes command. Now, what that's going to do for us is basically write a tab-delimited text file. So it's not true Excel interoperability in the conventional sense, but of course Excel being very versatile in the data formats that it can handle, I'm able to very easily import that into my Excel interface. And I can maybe do some massaging, do some Excel voodoo, let's say, changing whatever data I need, and then export that same table back out to a tab-delimited text file. And since that's kind of that common link between the two, then I'm able to use the cousin to that export attributes command, which is import attributes. Again, both of them are found directly on the Express Tools tab under the blocks panel. They're right there for you to use. So then you use import attributes, and then it just scans your drawing for all the block insertions that you exported and updates them accordingly.
So updates them with the changes that you've made in Excel.
Right. So it might be a calculated value that you need to do, or whatever the case. I mean, I started using it for kind of that a mockery of Sheet Set Manager before it ever existed, but since then I've used it for I've got a calculated value that I need to find inside of a block. I have a tag block that has some sort of calculated value into it. And so what I'm able to do is just kind of get those block insertions in place, export them out, do the calculations in Excel, because that's really where it shines, and then create another table that mimics the original export that I'm able to bring straight back into Excel. Again, not dynamic, but certainly something that gets a lot of mileage.
Sounds very quick, just a few clicks though.
Definitely.
Great, that's a wonderful tip, kind of hidden gem to share with us.
A hidden gem, right.
Thanks, Donnie.
Thank you.